The Wood County Fair in Bowling Green, Ohio is held every year from July 28th to August 4th, and this year was the 150th annual fair. I went there for a day with my grandma dropping me off, and I was able to see everything I wanted to see. I really enjoy going to the fair because it's fun to walk around, to see everyone, all the things they have. They have wood cutting animals, the petting zoo, show animals the kids can do for 4-H, like pigs, chickens, cows, rabbits, horses. It's just a really great place to be in Bowling Green, and there's so many people that attend. Over 100,000 people attend the fair every year, and it's a long-standing tradition for residents of Bowling Green and many other cities in Ohio. The tradition of the fair has been to help youth do 4-H activities and provide community members with exhibitions, education, and entertainment that creates a sense of pride in the community surrounding Bowling Green, the county of Wood County, and the state of Ohio. I really enjoy the fair because it helps create lasting memories for countless people and continues to make memories for future generations. Here in this clip, you can see two men trying to get a piece of wood onto a carving station, and at the fair they do demonstrations for people to watch, and they also display all their wood carvings out front, and they're really cool. I really enjoyed seeing it. It was really cool at night to see people walking around, and at this point, I hadn't eaten anything, so I got a mashed potato bowl from one of the vendors, and I went down to sit at a picnic bench, and that's where I took this footage. It was really a nice day out, and it wasn't very cold. Have the rides, and they were lit up so beautifully at night. It was really cool to get footage of them, to see people having fun on the rides. And I went on one ride in particular, my favorite ride, which was the swings, and that was really fun. This one is something I'll never go on because I'm too scared to go up and all the way back down again, but the people that were on this looked like they were having a lot of fun, so I decided to take this footage, and I really like this. I was very steady with the camera. This is the swing ride I was talking about. It's my favorite ride. I went on it once, and it's just really relaxing to feel yourself swinging through the air in a circle. Really cool. While I was waiting for the swing ride to have a shorter line, I took some footage of this, which I've been on this before, but usually I have to go on it with someone else. It's really fun, and I have the clip here playing in slow motion because it just goes so fast. It was really cool. Once again, here's the swings I was talking about. This is when I was in line to get on them. And again, I put this in slow motion just because it's going so fast. It was really fun to see it from the ground. are children's favorite squishmallows they put into a glass case to display at the fair. I think it's really cute how they do that.
Hey guys, good to see you. I don't know how well it can be seen, but I just finished a day at the fair from like 7 until it's now 11. I'm just eating a hot dog, you know, just getting ready to go home. But I'll probably have this vlog up and I'll do some commentary over some clips that I did. Just because I didn't really take a lot of talking footage, so there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and once I move to Texas, there will be more vlogs, more fun stuff, probably adventures. But yeah, bye.